Hello, I'm a Dr. Minakshi, came from Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Before here I came, I deeply not known how the cervix looks like, what parameters should be looked for the lesion and lesion कैसे दिखते हैं उसको कैसे categorize करना है. I'm nothing know about this, but when after came here, learn from ma'am, and I'm to मतलब not 100% but somehow I confident कि मैं सर्विस को अच्छे से पेशेंट को एक्सप्लेन कर सकती हूँ, उसका स्क्रीनिंग कर सकती हूँ और उसको एक प्रॉपर वे से गाइड करके उसका ट्रीटमेंट स्टार्ट कर सकती हूँ. So this center is a very good center for beginners and those person who are in doubt and what they do and what not to do. So basically, I prefer to all my colleagues to come here, learn from ma'am, and he is a very nice institute, and all the people from this institute are very helpful. Home like feeling is there, or number of cases as I see, and some cases I self do colposcopy on that patient. It is a nice experience for me.
Lungan and I'm from Assam, Guwahati. After coming here, many things I got to learn. सबसे पहले तो इट्स एन आई ओपनिंग सेशन फॉर मी, क्योंकि पहले हम लोग कॉल्पोस्कोपी ऐसे जितना हमारा नॉलेज है उतना करती थी, जैसे कि थोड़ा बहुत देख लेते हैं. बट आफ्टर कमिंग हियर आई गॉट टू नो क्या मिस्टेक्स है, क्या सही है, एंड आई गॉट टू नो मेनी गाइडलाइंस, क्या प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करना है, एंड ऑल्सो मेनी टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स जो मैम ने जो प्रैक्टिकली प्रैक्टिस करते हैं वो सब सीखने को मिला है. एंड विद गॉड ब्लेसिंग एंड मैम्स ब्लेसिंग थोड़ा सा कॉन्फिडेंट गेन हुआ है. एटलीस्ट जाके कुछ तो मैं पेशेंट्स का स्क्रीनिंग कर पाऊंगी. एंड मैनी मोर थिंग आई हैव लर्न आफ्टर कमिंग हियर. सो मेरा जो क्लासेस है, मेरा जो लर्निंग है, आई थिंक मेरा यहाँ आना इज अ वर्थ वाइल. Coming, enrolling, and taking up this fellowship course is really a worthwhile. I will suggest anyone to take up these courses because if you come and if you take the course, you will know कि तुम क्या mistake कर रहे हो, and whatever you will get a lot of learn in short, because I cannot describe in detail क्या क्या सीखा है, but in short you can learn a lot. We have come to know many things. That's it.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Ritu Chaudhary. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I am basically an IVF practitioner and I am doing complicated cases of histro and lapro and infertility, everything. And I had a good exposure of cosmetic gynecology also. But during my practice, I realized in the aspect of preventive oncology, I am lacking significantly. Means when I was examining the patient, I was not able to give them the real confirmatory answer कि अगर उनका पैप्स में नॉर्मल आया है, so why they have continuous discharge even अगर पैप्स नॉर्मल आ रहा है, कोई एबनॉर्मलिटी नहीं मिल रही है, तो इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू गिव पेशेंट एन एक्सप्लेनेशन एंड अ राइट ट्रीटमेंट. So then I searched and I found out कि Sai Nivas Healthcare is a good place to go and Dr. Priya is excellent in that way. So I came here and my experience was wonderful. Means what I realized is I was doing literally nothing as per the preventive part of oncology is concerned, especially in the cervix वाला part में. क्योंकि सर्विक्स को कभी उस नज़र से देखा ही नहीं था कि मतलब सर्विक्स इज सो ब्यूटीफुल एंड हाउ इट रिवील सो मेनी ऑफ द थिंग्स. सो बेसिकली मैम एंड दिस इंस्टीट्यूट वाज अमेजिंग एंड जो भी नॉलेज दे हैव इंस्टिल्ड, मींस मैम ट्राई एवरी बिट ऑफ हर नॉलेज टू गिव यू इन एवरी एस्पेक्ट. प्रैक्टिकल भी अच्छा था एंड थ्योरी पार्ट इज ऑल्सो एक्सीलेंट. So this is the right place to come, and if you come you will never going to regret it, and then you will realize ki you were basically knowing nothing about preventive oncology and how it is medico-legal very important. Now so many medico-legal cases are coming up. So as a gynecologist, even if you are not practicing preventive gynecology, but you should know how to see your cervix well, how to do a PS well, and how you can take the patient to the appropriate treatment the patient required. So thank you so much.
Hello, I am Dr. Manik Kumar. I am Divisional Medical Officer in Railway, posted at CLW Chitranjan. I came to know about this place from the internet itself, and I joined this for 5 days hybrid colposcopy course. For me, the joining was very smooth. The staffs here are very cooperative, and they do their professional duty with personal touch. So I didn't get any problem in joining in Commisted Institute. And coming to the training proper, the Priya ma'am is very good teacher. She is helping and caring and monitoring as well each and every participant personally, teaching them by holding hands, just like in our previous days. So we get to learn the minutiae of colposcopy, which most of us have never had the opportunity to learn in our PGTC days and afterwards. So we come to learn that colposcopy is very vast. It's far beyond just preventive oncology. It gives us a wide overview to the most common situation we face, most common complaint we face in everyday life, like vaginal discharge, patient coming with cervical problem, unhealthy cervix, and also train us in this vast domain of preventive oncology, especially in cervical cancer, how to identify lesion, teach. We also here have wet labs where we can train with actual instruments and under the supervision how to do the procedure. Each and every procedure I have done myself and under the guidance of the madam. We also do colposcopy on real patients, evaluate them, and madam is there to correct us and guide us. So for me, these 5 days are very helpful, very fruitful, and days very well spent. I learned a lot here, and I would say to all the gynecologists, whether you practice any subspecialty, whether in reproductive medicine or whatever, you should learn the colposcopy, because whatever you practice, it will going to help you in your domain also. So thank you.
I am Dr. Shalini Sachdev from Sangamner. I am a private practitioner with my own private setup. और मैं मैम के यहाँ 16th Feb से 20th Feb के लिए हाइब्रिड कोर्स के लिए आई थी कॉल्पोस्कोपी के लिए. एंड रियली आई एम फीलिंग वेरी प्राउड कि मैंने इतना अच्छा कोर्स सिलेक्ट किया और मेरे काफ़ी सारे डाउट्स क्लियर हुए. एंड इनफैक्ट बहुत बड़ा न्यू होराइजन मिला फॉर थिंकिंग. बहुत सारे टेस्ट क्या करने चाहिए, व्हाट इज़ प्रिवेंटिव ऑन्कोलॉजी, ये सब आई वॉज टोटली अनअवेयर. And this will really help me to help my patients more and to cater the public. And secondly, यहाँ पर बाकी सब भी बहुत ही comfortable था. पूरा दिन brainstorming sessions होते थे. We got to have to handle so many cases. घर से हम लोग 6 लोग थे एक साथ टीम में, तो सबको 3 cases individually hands on मिले. मैम बहुत ही पेशेंटली हर एक चीज समझाती हैं. मतलब आई वॉज ऑल्सो आई वॉज प्रोफेसर इन अ मेडिकल कॉलेज, बट इतना डिटेल में शायद मैं भी इतने एफर्ट से नहीं कर सकती जितने एफर्ट से मैम हम लोगों को सिखाती थी. एक एक चीज बार बार हर एक से, जब तक किसी का डाउट क्लियर ना हो. फिर मैम ने एकदम सिंसियर टीचर और हमें एकदम सिंसियर स्टूडेंट्स की तरह लास्ट स्टेप पे टेस्ट भी दिया, जो मैम ने प्रॉपरली असेस किया. हमें बुला के प्री असेसमेंट टेस्ट भी हुआ था हमारा और पोस्ट कोर्स असेसमेंट टेस्ट भी हुआ. उसमें बुला के भी कि ये चीज़ हमने गलत की है या ये ठीक की है, तो ये गलत क्यों की है, इतना सिखाने के बाद हमें क्या डाउट्स हैं. तो इट्स अ वंडरफुल कोर्स. आई मीन इट्स रियली लाइफ चेंजर कोर्स फॉर मी. Thank you.
I myself, Dr. Sushma Nilesh Milkar. We are having our private nursing home at Sillod, district Aurangabad, state Maharashtra. I have came here for hybrid course of colposcopy under Dr. Priya Ganesh Kumar ma'am. Within these 5 days, we have got too much knowledge. Actually, we are gynecologists, but we are seriously unknown to the field of colposcopy. But because of ma'am, we have upgraded our knowledge. I have already taken Eva Pro machine from Sai Nivas Healthcare, and now I am going to start colposcopy under madam guidance mentorship. Plus, we are going to plan for future plan is like thermoglide and all. So I am in the touch with ma'am always. Without ma'am's guidance, it is not possible to carry colposcopy unit. The things I liked here too much is that madam's dedication for their student. They are taking exam, they are assessing us. She is very helping nature, and she is very curious about upgrading the students' knowledge. And another things, Shubhangi ma'am and all the staff are also doing their job very well. Everything, sister, Maushi, our tea, breakfast, they are taking care. They are taking care of. So I'm very thankful to Sai Nivas Healthcare, and I'm there to in touch with you, all of you, for being lifetime. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sai Nivas Healthcare.